Hi and welcome to Chanakya Capital. Today we're going to be seeing top 5 AI every finance professional must know. Coming up first is Claude. You must know about it. And before moving on, let me tell you about this use style is have you used it like normal learning, concise, explanatory, formal, and you can even create and edit these slides. So do add skills, add connectors like NotebookLM. It works fine. Ha- Everybody knows about adding files or photos, but have you taken any screenshot or added projects to your current working? Sonnet 4.6 is the free version, but you can make it more efficient by extended thinking. So do use this feature. Coming up next, I should be telling you about Claude. It is best for deep analysis and analysts that never sleep, reasoning, modeling, and document intelligent at benchmark leading accuracy. First of the feature is turning raw deal documents into an IC memo minutes versus art. So it reads messy long documents and produce structured decision ready output. And next one is deep financial analysis from mixed input that is required. Not just Excel combines numbers, text, and context in one analysis. Last one is turning analysis into client ready output instantly. That is required because most of the client do not wait for your outputs. Convert raw thinking into a polished communication. Then, for example, in free format, generic Excel is made by Claude. But if you want to have good quality Excel, you have to pay for it. But you do not worry, I have a free alternative for it. To summarize it, I have divided into three portions: finance, investment banking, accounting. In finance, you can build DCF, LBO, three statement models from plain English prompt, analyze 10 can extract key metric risk and guidance, automate cash flow, forecasting and budget variance report. In investment banking, you can draft full investment memos, CIMs, treasure, pitch books in PowerPoint, run M&A search and dilution and present transaction analysis like Goldman style. In accounting, you can reconcile transaction matching, categorization, discrepancy detection, review actuarial workbook, validate loss development triangle, draft KYC, AML compliance. Next one coming up is Notebook LM. It is best for your deep document research, and this is how it looks. So studio gives you audio overview, slide decks, which is masterclass if you have a good prompt. If you wanted to comment down, video overview, mind maps, reports, flashcard, quiz, infographic, and data table. So how it is useful for you? For example, you want to make a presentation or you want to make a report, so you can just directly put all your data through this, like upload file. You can upload your PPT, word file, PDFs, but you cannot upload a Excel. You have to convert that into a PDF. Then you can put YouTube, any website, drive that is connected to your Google account, then copy text. And after doing all this, you can just click on slide deck and it is done. All your content is sorted. Next thing, to go with your private research vault, upload documents, ask anything, get cited answer. This is what Notebook LM is. It turns reports into answer, not just summaries. Upload your annual report, transcripts, PDF, ask direct questions and get source backed answer with citation. Next coming up is breaking down earning calls like an analyst, which is very much required by the higher management. Pull out key themes, management tone, and what actually mattered, not just a summary. Combine multiple documents into one view, upload CIM financials, presentation, get a single structured understanding of the business, then extract risk and key driver instantly, finds revenue drivers, cost pressure, and hidden risk buried deep into documents. Convert your research into an audio briefing, which we have just seen. And just to summarize what all it can do, again into this three category, you can upload 3 years of your 10Ks or any of kind of an annual report and ask comparative question across all of them at once. Chat with bank statement, loan agreement, investment, which is very much required. Create interactive mind maps. In investment banking, you can load earning press release deck plus transcript, act as a chief staff for earning calls prep. Upload entire data rooms up to 50 sources, 500k words. This is the limitation. Generate audio podcast. In accounting, you can upload multiple entities, financial statement, and cross-reference discrepancies. Analyze loan agreement, extract all fees, penalties, content triggers, built on notebook with tax returns plus back statements to answer auditors' queries instantly. Next coming up is our research handholds, Perplexity, ChatGPT, and Gemini. ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity are top AI tools with distinct strengths. ChatGPT excels at creative writing and versatile tasks. Gemini offers superior real-time Google workspace integration, and Perplexity is the premium research engine for cited fact-based answer. So you get your financial commentary, real-time market research, compare peer instantly, data cleaning and quick analysis, automate repetitive work, quick data visualization, summarize internal documents, and then we come to Shortcut AI, which I was talking about before. So this is your free alternative to making best financial modeling. This is how it looks. So whenever you have a simple assumption, just put it on the Shortcut AI and give a command on your left side, and it works absolutely worthwhile. And before doing any of add-on to your Excel, it asks you to either accept that, decline that, or you can ask again to do it. So it is marvelous thing. So Excel on steroids, like it builds full DCF, LBO, three statement models from one sentence, and I have made whole project finance financial modeling, so it can go miles. So it builds model in minutes and clean and structure messy sheets, debug and audit models, then to summarize what all it can do in three statements. So in finance, build annual budget with monthly phasing, headcounts, growth, and revenue assumption in 15 minutes. Process bank statements into investor ready data room financial, automatically run capex versus FCF analysis. Then in investment banking, full DCF 10-year projection, VACC, terminal value, sensitivity analysis from a single prawn will LBO models and M&A models in minutes outperforms McKinsey Goldman. First year analyst 89.1% of the time score 80 plus on Microsoft Excel work championship. Then in accounting, automate budget versus actual variance analysis with department level breakdown. Generate complex formula structure with 90% accuracy, multiple agent verification, catches error before delivery, safe model as reusable template shared across the whole team. So this is the most asked one. Chronicle HQ and Canva AI, best for presentation in minutes. This is how Chronicle HQ looks like. So you can generate with AI or just start with a blank slide, and you can edit everything from paragraph heading, media card, charts, table, mockups, embedded or links, connectors, sticky notes, diagrams, everything. The second one is Canva AI. You just have to go give a simple clean prompt and just click on create presentation. So this turn your analysis into boardroom ready visuals in minutes, not hours. To just summarize it, it can generate quarterly board report for data if with charts, KPIs, scorecards, and commentary auto formatted, build investor ready pitch, take in 20 minutes from a plain prompt or uploaded outline, create client facing financial reports with branded templates that update as data changes. This was for finance. For investment banking, Goldman Sachs reports 30 to 50% reduction in pitch material creation time using AI tools like Canva AI, turning raw analysis into polished teaser or management presentation without a design team. Use magic design past your comms stable narratives. Canva builds a deck around it with charts. Accounting build audit ready summary reports and management letter with branded layout. Create client financial health dashboard. Visualize P&L trends, cash flow, waterfall charts. Generate GST tax filing summary infographic from client communication in minutes. Thank you for watching it till the end, and I'm going to be posting a lot of like this. Keep up with us. Thank you.